WBS0, stop with all that ruckus. Wow, what the heck happened here? Wait, is that Fox Century Pictures? Oh my goodness, WBS0, you already murdered him. No 20th Universal Fox. I'm fine, 20th Universal Fox. Wait, so you're alive? Yes, 20th Universal Fox. I think your son has got a bit crazy. Yeah, but I couldn't deny that. But I don't know where you get this Odyssey ship from. Well, can you just tell your son? Can you just tell your son to give us back the secret formula? No, I couldn't. No, wait a minute. Did you say secret formula? Yeah, why? And what about it? But that must be the formula that I saw on TV. Because I saw the Simpsons in the TV, and I saw Homer bringing a burger home with him, and bringing a burger home with him at the Krusty Simpson. And then that was the secret formula. Who made this? Wait a minute, you saw Homer in the TV, and you saw 666th Century Fox, the TV. Yep, because I saw that TV is because he said if I get the secret formula, he'll give me $1 million. And I just wanted to come to your house and steal a secret form from you. In that case, but Baba Papa and normal animation is on because that secret formula is all mine. Give me that. You're grounded. I got the formula and you don't. So long, suckers. Hey, get back here. What, Fox Pixar Media? Where are you? Oh, let me get you out of here. Okay. Oh, there you are. Fox Century Pictures. Can't you see I'm dead? You're not dead until we get back that formula. Now come on. Meanwhile, I need to find a way to get out of here. Aha! Super Mario Just X, I can't believe you tried to steal the secret formula. It wasn't even ours. Now thanks to you, now we're lost. Where the heck are we? Hey, it's not my fault. You're the one who's driving because you stopped it. Yeah, but you forced me to, and I was going, and then you were saying go 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 for many times. Hey, can I have that truck of yours? No, go away. Thanks. Well, it wasn't my fault that you're the one you were driving. 30th Super Luigi. Super Mario. So we didn't forget about you, huh? I've been waiting for my Baconator for almost 3 hours. Don't worry, we can just go to the store and buy some more. Well, they don't even sell Baconators at the store. I agree with 20th century searchlights. And anyways, give me that formula. Oh, lie. Give me that formula. But I don't have it. Lie. Get that to me now. Don't worry, Fox Century Pictures. I'll save you. No, it's mine. No, it's mine. Chill. Pop. Come on, Fox Century Pictures, hop in. Oh, okay.